Alright guys, so this post is really about a $20 Team Keto gift card. So all of you that have already tried the supplements, we will give you a $20 Team Keto gift card for writing a review or posting a review, alright? So there's a few things that you need to do. One, you need to make a video, alright? Maybe like 20 to 50 seconds long, alright? And the video needs to include your face and your favorite product or products of the Team Keto, alright? Could be the C8 MCT oil powder, any of the 2 flavors of keto fuel, or collagen peptides, alright? We have chocolate and unflavored. So post up a video, alright? Take out your cell phone, your tablet, whatever it is right now, right when you're done watching this video, film it, alright? Make sure to mention the name Team Keto and what product you're reviewing. Just tell us like what your experience was, from the very beginning, as far as your shopping experience, how quickly you got it and whatnot, and then how did you like the products? Like, you could tell me why you love the product, or how you felt it's helped you during the 15-day Kickstart challenge, and tell me why you would recommend the Team Keto products, or if you would recommend the Team Keto products, and if you'd recommend them over other products that you've tried and why, alright? So kind of those few things. Take a video, 20 to 50 seconds long, make sure to mention the name Team Keto in it with the supplements, and tell me why you love the supplements, why you'd recommend them, how they've helped you, and we'll send you a $20 Team Keto gift card, alright? Make sure to send that video to support@teamketo.com. Alright, have a rockin' rest of your day. Peace out, guys.